outer part is called the cornea. It's called the cornea. And then we have this space here. There is some space here, and there is this space here. This space in between the two iris. We have here, there is a space here. This one in between the two iris is what we call, in between the two iris, we are seeing here there is some space, but most of the learners, they misfire. They think this one and this one, they are what? They are the same. So here, we have to take note. So this one here is what we call the pupil. Then this space is what we call the aqueous. The space is not enough. The space is not enough. Here we have the aqueous hammer. We have the aqueous hammer. And then let us put this one here to be here. This one is the pupil. And then this one here, it is what we call the iris. And the iris, you know very well, it is the colored part of the eye. And its color comes from a pigment which also determines the skin color, which is called melanin. Someone can say melanin. So it brings the color of the iris. That's why they say, name the colored part of the eye, it is the iris. Then this one here, this one is the suspensory ligament. Also one can say focusing muscles. And then we have here, this one is the retina. This inside part is the retina. We have the retina. The retina, we know very well, acts like the feeding of the pinhole camera, where all the images are formed. It's called the retina. And the sensitive cells that are responsible for the formation of all the images, we have two sensitive cells. We have the cone and the rod. The cone and the rod. These are the sensitive cells that are found in the retina. So our retina is very sensitive. Very, very sensitive. It can easily be damaged. Then this notch here is what we call the fovea. And then here, what sends all the sight messages or impulses to the brain for interpretation is what we call the optic nerve. What we call the optic nerve. Then in this space here, we have the aqueous hammer and the vitreous hammer. These ones here, they are filled up with what? With liquid. So they moisten the eye. Here we have the vitreous hammer. So meaning, they can ask you very many questions here. They tell you, give the functions of the iris. This iris here is just like this. When light is too bright, they come closer. They come up, they come closer. So when light is too dim, they widen. So meaning these ones here control the what? Amount of light entering the eye. That is for the iris. Most of the parts we have talked about them. The pupil allows light to enter the eyes through the lens. Then the cornea, this is the transparent part that allows light to enter into the eye. And then let's see here. We have said this one here. The optic nerve sends the sight impulses or the sight messages to the brain for interpretation. pigmentation. That's good. The eye lines, this one here refracts the light rays into the retina. That is briefly about the mammalian eye. Thanks for watching. In case of any question, drop the questions in the comment section. Thank you very much.